Hey there, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. In this video, we're going to talk about something simple but powerful, sleep hygiene. It's all about creating small habits that help you sleep deeper, longer, and better. If you've been struggling with restless nights or just want to wake up feeling more refreshed, you're in the right place. Let's get cozy, and I'll walk you through easy steps you can start using tonight. Sleep isn't just rest. It's when your body repairs, your brain organizes memories, and your emotions balance out. Without good sleep, everything feels harder. Thinking clearly, managing stress, even staying healthy. It's like trying to drive a car without any fuel. Exhausting and frustrating. The good news? You don't need to be perfect. Even small changes to your sleep habits can make a huge difference. Think of sleep hygiene like brushing your teeth. A few minutes of care every day, and the benefits add up beautifully. First, let's look at your bedroom, your personal sleep sanctuary. A dark room signals to your brain that it's time to sleep. You can use blackout curtains or even an eye mask. Keeping the room cool, around 65 degrees Fahrenheit, helps your body naturally drift into deeper sleep. And quietness matters too. If noise is a problem, try a white noise machine or gentle sleep sounds. Your bed should feel inviting. Invest in comfortable sheets and pillows if you can. Another tip, keep screens away from your bed. The blue light from phones and tablets confuses your brain, making it harder to fall asleep. And finally, scents can help. A little lavender essential oil or a calming candle can create a beautiful nighttime ritual. Now let's talk about your evening habits. Your body loves routines. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day trains your internal clock. It's like teaching your body when to feel sleepy and when to feel alert. Start winding down about an hour before bedtime. Turn off bright lights. Put away work and anything stressful. Instead, do calming activities like reading a book, journaling, stretching gently, or practicing meditation. Try to limit heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol in the evening. These things can disrupt your sleep cycle without you even realizing it. Think of your evening as a gentle glide into sleep, not a crash landing. Good sleep hygiene doesn't start at night. It starts the moment you wake up. Getting natural sunlight early in the day, even just 10 minutes outside, helps reset your body's internal clock. Exercise is another secret weapon. Moving your body daily, whether it's a walk, yoga, or a workout, promotes better sleep later. Just be mindful. Try not to do intense exercise right before bed. And if you like to nap during the day, keep naps short, about 20 minutes, so you don't confuse your nighttime sleep drive. All these little daytime habits send your body the message, I'm taking care of you. And your body responds by sleeping better. Let's take a deep breath together. Inhale slowly and exhale. Remember, sleep is a gift you give yourself. You don't have to overhaul everything overnight. Just start with 1 or 2 small changes. Maybe dim the lights earlier tonight or put your phone away an hour before bed. Your body will notice, your mind will thank you, and soon peaceful, restful nights will start to feel natural again. You deserve deep, beautiful sleep. Sweet dreams, and until next time, take good care of yourself.